In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the server error 403, forbidden access is denied error on Google Chrome. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry. We're going to walk through each step clearly and thoroughly to help you get back online without a hitch. First things first, when you encounter this error, it generally means that your attempt to retrieve a web page is being denied. Essentially, your browser is being restricted from accessing certain files or scripts. To tackle this, we're going to start by checking the URL. This may sound basic, but it's crucial. Ensure that the web address is typed correctly. Even a small typo can lead you to a broken page. So, double-check for any extra spaces or unexpected characters. Next, it's a good idea to clear your browser's cache and cookies. These are bits of data stored on your browser that help to speed up your browsing experience. However, if they're outdated, they might prevent you from accessing a site. To clear them, you need to open your browser settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security section, then look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select the options for both cookies and cached images and files before hitting the Clear Data button. After doing this, restart your browser and try accessing the site once more. If clearing the cache and cookies didn't resolve the issue, the next step is to disable any browser extensions you might have running. Extensions can sometimes interfere with the website permissions. To do this, go to your browser's menu, select More Tools, then Extensions, and toggle off any that you suspect might be causing the problem. After disabling them, refresh your browser and again try to visit the problematic site. Another approach is to use a different browser or restart your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes the issue could be the result of a network setting or a browser-specific problem. Try using another browser like Firefox or Edge and check if the page loads there. If it does, then the issue might specifically be with your Chrome settings. On the other hand, restarting your router can refresh the network settings and clear any temporary glitches or blocks. Just simply unplug your router, wait about 20 seconds, and then plug it back in. Lastly, if none of these steps work, it's possible that the issue is on the server's end. In this case, there might not be much you can do, but wait for the site owner to resolve the issue. Alternatively, you can try reaching out to the website support team for further assistance. By carefully following these steps, you should be able to fix the 403 forbidden error and get your browsing back on track. Remember, patience and attention to detail are key, so take your time with each step. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.